Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make this super easy, super delicious one-pan chicken dinner. Preheat your oven at 375. Now let's make our easy but delicious marinade. A quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Can't forget salt. And let's add some garlic powder and onion powder for flavor. Let's add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning for extra flavor and about half teaspoon of black pepper. Let's mix them together. And let's add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Let's stir the marinade around. That's it, simple but delicious. We need 6 bone-in chicken thighs. Pat dry each chicken piece and put it into the bowl. Toss chickens around. Make sure every part of the chicken gets the marinade on it. Looks great. Now let's place chicken thighs on a baking pan, single layer and skin side up. Parchment paper is optional. If there's any remaining marinade, brush it on top of the chicken thighs. Place the chicken in the middle of your oven and cook for 15 minutes. Use your kitchen timer, not oven timer. Okay, chicken is in the oven. Now, let's prepare our veggies. 8 ounces of green beans. Trim both ends. Make sure you trim both ends of every piece of green bean. That looks good. Now, let's move on to cherry tomatoes. 15 to 20 cherry tomatoes, about 4 ounces. Cut them in half. Let's make a marinade for the veggies. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and salt and pepper. Mix olive oil and salt and pepper well. Then add green beans and cherry tomatoes. Toss the veggie around well so everything gets evenly coated. When your oven beeps after 15 minutes, do not turn your oven off. Just open your oven and slide the chicken out and place green beans and cherry tomatoes around the chicken thighs. You can see my oven is still at 375. Cook for another 20 minutes. When your oven beeps after 20 minutes, take the baking pan out. And look at that, beautiful. And how easy was it? You have chicken and veggies in one pan. And I'm gonna try this chicken. Grab one chicken, put it on my plate, and yes, those green beans and cherry tomatoes. Oh, they look so good. Oh, and don't forget the yummy chicken juice. Pour them on top of your chicken. Okay, let's take a bite of this chicken. It's so tender and juicy and full of flavor. Let's try these green beans and cherry tomatoes together. So good. Okay, I'm gonna go and eat my chicken. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.